Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Camilla for those of you that are new here. So I just wanted to explain myself a little bit before I just show you guys everything. So today's video I wanted to just clean up, like do a whole transformation in my room because it is looking so bad. Like I just keep looking around and I'm like, I'm embarrassed. Like it is so bad. These past like 2 weeks I have been pre-recording and just uploading, editing a bunch of videos because it is Vlogmas season and it is a video every single day. And I know I am really slow at editing and just recording. I'm just like, I feel like I'm a perfectionist and I like to like do a lot of little details and I'm not the best at editing. Okay, I am literally excuses after excuses because I just don't want to show you guys. I didn't even clean up the back of where I am because I just wanted to start off saying like my room is a mess. Like I know I clean up my room in literally every single vlog. My family makes fun of me because they know that I do. I'm talking way too much. I should really get started, but yeah, I just wanted to give a little explanation before I start. So this right here is clean laundry. I need to get to that, but that will be like at the end whenever I have everything done and out of the floor. Okay, let me get up and I'm gonna show you guys my room. Okay, so this is just gonna stay here for right now because I literally have no light. So this is just gonna stay here in the corner, but let me just turn around and show you guys. Okay, that is just, okay, I'm not even gonna explain, I'm just gonna show you. My desk, some dirty clothes because my other one is in the bin that I need to fold. My bed, I was editing and then I put on some pajamas. It was way too hot, so I took it out. Some socks, I don't even know. That's not that bad. I think just clothes there too. These are from the gift baskets that I put in a previous video. You guys can go check it out. I'll link it up here or over here, wherever it is. I have some shoes. This is literally all for those baskets. So that's what this is. And then I have some presents over here. I'm not even going to show it because I know my family watches my videos. And it just continues. That is some more gifts, I think. Then my chair. This chair had all of this, but then I had to find something, so I took it all out and I just left it on the floor. So yeah, that's how my room looks right now, guys. It is really bad, but I just wanted to show you guys because, you know, I'm trying to be real and show you guys everything. Oh, and I also did a makeup this past weekend, so I need to undo that. So first, we're just gonna start off by taking those things out. So I took out all of the gift baskets and I put it in the living room where the tree is. And now I'm just going to pack up all of the like DIY stuff, like the crafting things that I used. We have a freaking Gucci belt on the floor. Okay, so I moved you guys closer a little bit because I'm gonna just hit up this area because it's a whole bunch of presents that I got and little like things like stocking stuffers and stuff like that and DIY things. So I'm going to just go through everything and yeah. Oh yeah. Okay guys, so I just finished this area right here. I still obviously have my laundry. Okay, this board, I don't know if you guys have noticed. My dad made it for me. I don't know if you guys watch my vlogs all the time, but I was doing, I think, a cosmetology vlog and he just made me a thing that said Camilla's Salon because you need time for yourself. And I don't know what to do with it, so I just leave it here on my floor. I'm gonna like put it behind here so you can't really see it because I have literally no idea what to do with it and I feel bad. I don't want to throw it away. I have this bag right here that I need to empty out because I did a makeup and hair appointment on Sunday. So I have to undo my makeup box and also my makeup or not my makeup, but my hair bag. We are looking better. Like, let me just give you a little overview. I'm very proud of myself. It's been maybe like 30 minutes or less, 15 minutes. I don't know. I haven't checked the time. It's been 13 minutes, so not bad. Okay, but I am literally rambling because I don't want to continue. What should we do first? My laundry or my makeup? I feel like my makeup is easier, so I'm just gonna get that out of the way. Okay, but let's do this. So whenever I have to like undo my makeup box, I like to separate it. So like if I have any eyeshadows, I'll put it over here. So then it just makes it really easy whenever I just have to like put it in here. I just pick up the pile and do the whole like drawer itself. Okay, so like I said, whenever I am doing my like unboxing it or whatever, I like to separate it into sections. So I'm just gonna put that all back in its box, in its drawers. My drawers have all like names on each one. I'm so tired. I really don't want to fold laundry right now, but I put my makeup away. I put my hair stuff away. It is 10:35 right now. I really don't want to do this. Oh. I'm just going to be folding it while I'm just talking to you guys. So it's been what? I think today's the 9th. I don't know when this video is going to be up. Maybe tomorrow, but today's the 9th. And Vlogmas has just been very hard and stressful. I didn't know how difficult it is to create content every single day. I feel like that is just really, really hard to do for 25 days straight. I have to do, what, 2 more weeks of it? I love it. Not like, I'm not trying to be like annoying or whatever, but it is just really hard to like have your life together when you're trying to edit, do work, do school, upload the video, and have also like your own time, you know, to chill, to clean up your mess, all of that. So that's why everything just got really out of hand in my room, and I just wanted to make a video and, you know, like do my stuff and just have everything clean. Okay guys, so I finished this area over here and I took out all the clothes that was here. I'm so happy I can finally see the freaking floor. I have to like clean afterwards, like actually like dust and vacuum and mop the floor. That will be for another day. But I still have to do this area right over here on my desk. I'm watching New Girl. So that's what I was watching when I was folding. I'm gonna do my desk right now. Yeah, let's just do it. Okay guys, I finally finished. So this area, my laptop has to stay on top here, so I just kept it, and then my iPad as well. So I'm just gonna keep that on top. I'm just gonna show you guys an overview of everything, but I can finally see the floor. That is so freaking good. Okay, so this is my desk area, Christmas decor and all of that up, and then that's just gonna stay there. Backpack I use every single day, so I just like to keep that right there. My bed is made. I have no laundry, no clothes anywhere. That water I'm drinking right now, so that's why that is there. Finally done, and I'm so happy. But thank you guys so much for watching. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this was helpful, motivating for you guys. If your room looks like mine, or you just need to like fold your laundry, go do it right now. Go watch this video again, get a little bit more motivated, and do the darn thing. Happy Vlogmas Day 10. Oh my gosh, we're in double digits. But yeah, I'm talking way too much. I'm sorry, guys. But I just wanted to say I love you guys so much, and thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video, which will be tomorrow. Love you guys.